Hello everyone, my name is Kiran Dhivre. I recently qualified as a SEBI Grade A officer in which I scored 14 out of 15 in interview. I also cleared Power Grid's interview as well as IDBI Capital's interview. So EduTap has asked me to share a few tips of do's and don'ts of the interview. So let's start. First of all, we'll go with what is not supposed to do in interview. First of all, there is no need to answer all the questions. It's okay if you don't know the answers to few of the questions. Like for example, in SEBI interview, I went completely blank for two questions, but I told them confidently that ma'am, I don't know this answer and I'm not updated on it. So they were okay with it, and you can see still I scored the highest. Second, there is no need to answer the question promptly. You can take your time. If you don't know the answer to any question, you can ask the panel member in a very polite way, "Sir, can you please allow me to think for 1 minute?" And they will surely allow you the time. Third, don't be afraid to express yourself, to share your ideas. Don't be in a rush to complete the interview. In case during the conversation, if you have any thought or idea in your mind and you're confident about it, do share with them. Like for example, in my IABS interview, when the interview was over, I had a beautiful thought related to finance in my mind. So after my interview was over, I told the panel that, "Sir, before leaving, I would like to share a thought which I recently came across," and they were very happy to listen about it. Now, quickly, let's move on to what you are supposed to do in an interview. First of all, it's very important to dress yourself properly. You should, the way you appear and present yourself in the interview, because it is the first expression the panel gets about you. So for girls, usually girls wear formal pants and formal tops, but I prefer wearing shorts and blazers as well. So girls can definitely try this out. Second is you have to maintain eye contact with each panel member. Now let's say suppose one panel member is asking you a question and you are answering to him or her, but it is very important that you still maintain contact with the other panel members as well, so that even they listen to you. Third, keep your smiling face throughout the interview. Now, what happens is when they ask you a question and you don't know the answer, it completely shows on your face. So the crux is you need to make a smiling face. So I'll show you. Let's say they ask you a question and you don't know, but still you have to maintain like okay. And how this will come? You have to be self-aware about yourself, about the posture you are maintaining, about the facial expressions that you are keeping. It really matters a lot. And the last but not the least, be careful about the words that you are speaking in your answers. It is very probable that they will ask questions from the last words you speak. And I'm very sure with these tips you can really drive the interview. I wish all the future candidates all the best for all your interviews, and I really hope these tips will be useful for you. Thank you.